Good morning, students.
జూమ్ చేయి కొంచెం.
In the last class, we already discussed about evolution of the Earth and Earth as a planetary body. Now, today we are going to discuss in this class the interior of the Earth. Due to the scientific investigation and analysis of data to form the Earth, interior of the Earth, the distance from the center of the Earth is 6,000 kilometers. There is no particular evidence to know the internal structure of the earth. Already in the earlier I told, ONGC pipes send 6 kilometers only, and the man digging into the earth only went 3 kilometers for mining purpose. How can you know the internal structure of the earth? With the help of that is seismic waves. The scientists send seismic waves and they find out the internal structure of the earth. So according to their investigations, the internal structure of the earth was divided into 3 parts. All of you see, children, on the board: crust, mantle, core, and outer core and inner core. Let us we discuss about each part. Now, crust. The thickness of the crust is 30 to 100 kilometers. Children, in this way, you know where we live. We live on the earth crust. That is our earth. So, crust is consists of different kinds of rocks. The thickness of the crust is 30 to 100 kilometers. And another one is mantle. So the thickness of the mantle is 100 to 2,900 kilometers. Most it is a pliable layer and which floats, that is upon the crust. So the chemical composition of mantle is silicates. Now whereas core, the thickness of the core is 2,900 and 6,376 kilometers. So it is a dense and heavy substances is found here. That means iron and nickel. So here, students, listen. The core is divided into 2 sub layers. One is outer core and another one is inner core. Outer core is 2,900 and 5,100 kilometers thickness. You know the children, here that is in the outer core, that is metallic materials are available, that is nickel and iron. So inner core, that is 5,100 to 6,376 kilometers thickness. Here, that is this layer is consists of heavy substances, that is gold and iron. So according to this, there are 3 layers. One is crust and another one is mantle and core. Core is divided into 2 sublayers, outer core and inner core. Now let us we discuss about the each layers. The crust is consists of only 1% of volume of the earth, children, you know, and the mantle is consist of 16% and core is that is 83%. This is the important facts, children, you know. Another one important thing, that is how the earth, that is continental drift theory. Regarding this continental drift theory, the German geophysicist and meteorologist Alfred Wegener introduced continental drift theory. Continental drift theory was introduced by German physiologist and meteorologist Alfred Wegener. He described in his theory how the present day continents arranged and the ocean plains. According to his theory, there is a super continent that is called Pangaea. Pangaea means the whole land. Pangaea. Pangaea. Pangaea means that is a whole land. According to his theory, there is a supercontinent. In Greek word, Pangaea means that is a whole land. He introduced continental drift theory. Already it was existed in 220 million years ago. Pangaea means whole land. Who was Alfred Wegener? He was a German physiologist and geophysicist, and he was a great that is meteorologist. He studied and described that is a continental drift theory. According to his theory, nowadays what about the arrangement of the continents and what about the basins of the oceans? According to his theory. So he described everything in his theory. Already it was existed 220 million years ago. Now present day, how the shape of the globe, how the shape of the earth, we can see. With the help of his theory, we come to conclusion for a period of long time entire the things was done. Today we see on the globe the continents. So there are two. This Pangaea was broke up into two parts. One is your Laurentia and another one is Gondwana land. Laurentia means present North America, Greenland, Eurasia and other parts. And that is another one is Gondwana land. Indian subcontinent also in the part of Laurentia. Here another Gondwana land, that is South America, Africa and other continents are included in the Gondwana land. All these formed for a period of a long time. According to his theory, 220 million years ago it was existed. That is Alfred Wegener. Children, you know that here. Now I am asking you some of the questions. Note down, that is, who was Alfred Wegener? Who was Alfred Wegener? Which country he belongs to? Note down, the children. Who was Alfred Wegener? Which country he was belongs to? And another question, that is, how many layers are there in the internal structure of the earth? What are they? Describe the interior of the earth. What is meant by Pangaea? Pangaea was derived from which word? In the next class, children, you write down these questions and answer that questions. So, children, listen me. This is the third part of the video. You observe carefully. Now I am sending you the photographs along with the video. Carefully observe. Now again I am explaining you, that is internal structure of the earth. How many layers of the earth? That is outer, that is crust, mantle, core. Core, the layer divided into two layers. That is outer core and inner core. So this is a brief synopsis of the interior or internal structure of the earth.